Thank you for choosing the iSpring RO800 series tankless reverse osmosis water filtration system. With the innovative compact and all-in-one design, the RO800 series saves you space under your sink and is easy to install. Please follow through with the video for proper installation instructions. Before we begin, please make sure your water pressure is 15 psi or above. If your water pressure is higher than 70 psi, a pressure regulator may be needed. The system unit should be placed only on flat surfaces. Do not mount on a wall. The system is designed for residential use with municipal water only. Contact iSpring customer service to inquire about using in non-residential or well water settings. The system requires a 100 to 240 volt power outlet. The system operating temperature range is 41 degrees to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The system requires drilling a 1/4-inch hole into the under-sink drain pipe for wastewater. The system may require drilling a 1-inch hole into the sink or countertop for faucet installation. Unauthorized modification and disassembly are strictly prohibited and will void the warranty. Never touch the power cord connector when your hands are wet, as this may result in electric shock. In case of malfunction due to damage or failure of the power supply system, shut off the inline water supply by turning off the adapter, unplug the system immediately, and contact iSpring customer service. Please check that all parts were included in your RO systems package and have all the required tools ready. Installation: Feed water adapter. RO800 series RO systems are designed for under-sink water use. Please clean out the space under the sink before installation. The feed water adapter fits common 1/2-inch and 3/8-inch connectors. If you have a different size fitting, you will need a converter. Step 1. Turn off the cold water supply valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to drain any air and water in the connector hose. Step 2. Unscrew the faucet connector hose. Be prepared to catch any excess water from the hose with a towel. Step 3. Install the feed water adapter to the cold water supply valve and tighten with a wrench. Please ensure the O-ring is seated properly inside the adapter to prevent leaks. Step 4. Reinstall the faucet connector hose to the feed water adapter and tighten with a wrench. Step 5. Turn the feed water valve to the off position. Insert the 3/8-inch white tubing 1/2-inch deep into the quick connect fitting. Then insert a locking clip to lock the tubing in place. Installation: Drain saddle. Step 1. Choose a convenient spot on the drain pipe for installing the drain saddle and tubing. A horizontal pipe is recommended to minimize the dripping sound. Step 2. Drill a 1/4-inch hole into the drain pipe. Paste the black sticky pad around the hole to prevent leaks. Step 3. Cut the end of the red tubing tip to create a 45-degree angle. Insert the tubing through the drain saddle to the drain pipe. Step 4. Install the back plate and tighten the 2 screws with hex nuts while the tubing remains in the hole. Pull the tubing lightly to make sure it is secure. Installation: RO drinking faucet. Choose a suitable flat surface on the sink or countertop to install the drinking faucet. If your kitchen sink does not have a pre-existing hole, you will need to drill a hole 1-inch to 1.5-inch in diameter. Step 1. Clean and dry the sink hole area. Step 2. Insert the front plate with the O-ring into the faucet base. Step 3. Insert the faucet into the sink hole. Step 4. From under the sink, insert the rubber washer followed by the locking plate into the faucet stem. Screw the locking nut to the faucet stem. Tighten the locking nut with the included faucet wrench. Step 5. Insert the quick connect coupling to the faucet tubing. Step 6. Insert the blue tubing into the coupling 1/2-inch deep, and then insert the locking clips to lock the tubing in place. System installation. Step 1. Remove and unwrap the filters from the system. Remove all covers and plugs from the filters. Step 2. Insert the PPC composite filter into the top slot and the RO membrane into the bottom slot. Please ensure the filter cartridge is fully inserted and seats flush with the system front panel. Step 3. Place the system on a flat surface under sink area. Insert the 3/8-inch white tubing into the system water inlet port. Secure the connection by inserting the locking clip. Step 4. Insert the red tubing into the system drain port. Secure the connection by inserting the locking clip. Step 5. Insert the blue tubing into the system drinking faucet port. Secure the connection by inserting the locking clip. Please ensure all tubes are fully inserted into the ports. Step 6. Connect the faucet power cable to the system faucet power port. Tighten the nut to secure the connection. System startup. Step 1. Turn on the cold water supply valve and the feed water adapter. Check to make sure there are no leaks at the connectors. Step 2. Connect the power cord to the system power inlet. Plug in the power adapter to a power outlet rated between 100 and 240 volts. Slight vibrations are to be expected as the water pump starts. The status indicator will begin to flash in white color. This indicates the system is flushing. Once the system has been completely flushed, the light turns solid. Step 3. Turn on the faucet to purge air and let the water run for a few minutes and check again for leaks at all connection. This step should be done each time the filters are replaced. Step 4. Shut off the faucet. The system is ready for use. Filter replacement. RO800 series has a multi-layer composite filter and a reverse osmosis membrane rated at 800 gallons per day. Please be aware that each filter has a different role in the water system and has a different replacement schedule. The system has an automatic filter replacement warning and alarming function. When the filter is near the end of its service life, the corresponding filter indicator light will flash. When the filter reaches the end of its service life, the filter indicator light will turn solid red, and the system will alarm the user by beeping continuously when the faucet is on. Remove the exhausted filter by pressing the filter release button. Unwrap all covers and plugs from the new filter. Insert the new filter, ensure the filter cartridge is fully inserted, and seats flush with the system front panel. Press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds to enter the reset mode. The PPC light will flash in red. Short press the select button to toggle between the two filters that are desired for reset. Press and hold the reset button again to confirm the selection. Press and hold the select button for 3 seconds to manually flush the system. Once the filter is flushed, filter replacement is complete, and the system is ready to use. Congratulations! Your iSpring RO800 series tankless reverse osmosis water filtration system is now set up and ready for use. You can now enjoy clean and refreshing water from home. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.